Apparently it's got some fuel in it, but not enough. Took the fuel line off and nothing's coming out. So let's try to take the tank off. And it's got some zip ties right here. Okay, we got that off. There we have it. Wow. Easier than I thought. We're gonna dump this out. Just see what's in here. It's like a fluorescent yellow color. A lot of rust particles in there. Let that drain out for a while. Got the tank off. Just trying to get the fuel valve off. And does not want to come off. It's been on there 50 years. Try some liquid wrench. Just gonna let that soak in for a while. While we're doing that, let's take these little emblems off. I'm gonna screwdriver. The plan is to polish this tank all up, redo the inside. I'm gonna try the vinegar, white distilled vinegar method to get all the rust out. Seems like that's quite a economical way, easy way, if you're not in a big hurry, you know, because it takes a few days. Yeah, I'm not in a hurry, so. So one emblem, you can still see the Yamaha, but the black is kind of, the background has kind of come off, you know. That's okay. It's more patina. This one's a little bit better on this side. Been a while since this has been off too, I imagine. So yeah, I said before, my Uncle Daryl said it was, I thought he said it was about a year since he started, but actually I asked him again this last time I saw him, and he said he thought maybe 10 years. So, I'm sure we got to go through everything, clean it all up. It's pretty good. Just still on there, so you can still see it. Let me let this soak in for a while. I got all the old gas out. I don't know if you could see that, but it's got an orangish yellowish color, and there's a bunch of rust flakes came out of the bottom. So yeah, we're gonna need a good cleaning out of the tank. And then I actually ordered some tank inside sealant, pour 15. Saw it on Amazon. Saw some videos on YouTube of guys using that to seal the inside of the tank after you get it all cleaned out, protect it. So we're going to try that method, see how it goes. Poured the gas out. This is what we got in there. See? That's not good. A lot of little particles floating around in there. That's no good. So we'll get all that cleaned up. Let's see if I can get the fuel petcock out. Comes right out. That's what's in the tank right now that we got to get rid of. It's pretty dirty. So next we're going to put the, we're going to dry it out completely, and then we'll start putting the vinegar in. Just trying to dry it out. Got my heat gun set on like the lowest setting, because I don't want to blow myself up if there's any fumes left in there. So give this a few minutes, we'll see how it's doing. While the tank is drying out, I'm going to go ahead and drain the oil out. Actually, it looks pretty clear. Doesn't seem to be much in there, though. Okay, that was easy. Go ahead and pull that oil tank off. There's a couple little cables here holding it. There we go, the oil tank. Now we can clean this all up. Nice. The emblem looks pretty good. There's got a little scratch here, but I mean, for 50 plus years old, and he rode it pretty hard, I guess, for 1,400 miles. It's in really good shape. And then this is the battery here, so that's we're gonna have to buy a new one of those, I'm sure. So we'll end up pulling that out here shortly, and then I'll have to order one. I think I found one on eBay, $40, something like that. So we're making some progress. It's nice. Okay, I got the tank all dried out, and now I'm just gonna put the vinegar in. I got it in this plastic tote here, you know, just in case. I put some duct tape on the bottom where the fuel valve was, but just in case it leaks, we're covered. Not quite sure how much I'm gonna have to put in here. I'm gonna fill it all the way to the top. It's 1 gallon.